There we go. Accra Lions gets us going for this evening's fixture. Shao Khan with a long ball in Nuruddin's header. Zeze Nuruddin. Amponsa. Now Accra Lions moving dangerously. Here is Blessing Dankwa. It's a chance for Accra Lions. And Blessing Dankwa breaks the deadlock on the 10th minute. His 10th. Good play from Accra Lions on a counter-attack. What a way to pick out Blessing Dankwa Awuni with eyes to take care of those balls ahead of Ouattara. Here's Ouattara, a chance to equalize, and Kalo Ouattara has equalized just when I was talking about those two centre-backs taking care of them, and he's equalized for Asante Kotoko. It's Kotoko 1, Accra Lions 1. Good ball from Nuruddin, but Jima failed trying to block it, and Ouattara through the legs of Ali Mohammed. Poor clearance from Blay. Here is Dankwa. He's got the pace. He scored the first. Dankwa again. Brilliant goal. 2 goals. And this one is a wonder goal. Good control. Brilliant finish. As Accra Lions on the offensive again. It can be dangerous. Here is Amponsa. It is Amponsa. He shoots and he scored the 3rd for Accra Lions. Should the goalkeeper have done better? So much power behind it, but the goalkeeper should be doing better. Moise Ensu. Good ball to Somwa. Can he get one back? And Somwa scores the Kotoko 2nd goal to make it 3-2. Good ball from Henry Ensu. Good control from the young star. Coach under pressure. 2 successive defeats. It's not a pleasant story for a coach who is in his 2nd stint with the club and still failing to convince them that he deserves to be here.